Secure credit cards is okay to show up on your credit reports. A lot of people are simply trying to buy a house, buy a car, trying to get simple credit cards. And a lot of people are able to do this with having secure credit cards on their credit reports. I know some YouTubers may say that you shouldn't do it, but I guess it depends on what you're trying to do. Maybe they're trying to get you some business funding or some, I don't know, maybe they're trying to get you some type of high limit credit card. So they're telling you don't get those secure credit cards. But if you're just trying to do basic things, you guys, like get some credit cards under your belt, you're trying to get a house, get a car, please start with a secure credit card, because there's no way you're going to start building your credit unless you start somewhere. So don't let that discourage you. Go ahead and get those secure credit cards. I talk a lot about how I see people with 700 credit scores and they start off with secure credit cards, and not even just these major secure credit cards, you guys. We're talking Open Sky, and we're talking maybe, Navy Federal, Discover. These cards, you guys, were building people credit to over 700. So don't let a lot of these comments discourage you and stop you from what you want to do. I want you guys to, if you got to get a secure credit card, try to get one with like Navy Federal or Discover, because those ones are going to graduate. So try to get ones with those, because you're building a relationship with that company and they're going to graduate. So don't think too hard, you guys. Go ahead and get those secure credit cards. And I say sometimes if you're going to listen to somebody, you need to fully listen to that person. Sometimes you guys are flip-flopping, like, oh, this person said that, this person said that. And, you're going to these different companies. Try to just listen fully to that one person and all the advice that they have, especially if they're saying, hey, I'm going to help you get this, or I'm going to help you get that. Don't add too many extra pieces into it. Try to figure out what you have to do if you go directly with them. And